see across the room, X marked on the spot, everybody tryna zoom. This is casual, another night with the wolves, but how she been with them? She's a damn professional. Making plays for, don't need to be told, yeah she knows. Got these fellas down bad and everybody else mad. Adrenaline rush, leaving them in the dust, now they can run in the stands.
Welcome back to another Carbland adventure, and today we're at Circus Circus Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Remember, anyone can walk into the casino and experience the Adventure Dome indoor theme park, as you do not need a reservation. The SpongeBob's Crazy Carnival Ride is located more in the back, and it is not inside Adventure Dome, but keep on walking. This is the first ever interactive SpongeBob Dark Ride, and it is packed with wild surprises. You'll journey through 15 different scenes filled with animatronics, carnival chaos, and even scents of cotton candy and Krabby Patties. This ride opened in March of 2024, costing around $6 million, and it's about a 7-minute adventure, costing around $13 per person or $20 for two. Purchase your tickets at the nearest kiosk. Remember to like and leave us a comment, and enjoy the video.
Nearest kiosk right here. Purchase your tickets with a credit card.
Featuring your favorite games of skill. The ring toss, the balloon smash, the bubble pop. We have it all, so don't miss out on all the fun. Welcome, one and all, to Mr. Krabs' Carnival Sideshow. He is surrounded by the amazing Larry and his stupendous feats of strength. Get your pumps on.
Patrick, your chicken is showing.
Turn the Krabby Patty secret formula and put crabs and fresh bread around.
Mr. Krabs, with some additional announcements.
All I need is a few ingredients, and the Krabby Patty secret formula will finally be mine.
Step right up and get your shot at bubble pop. Just point your pointers at the bubbles and start popping. Every hit earns you 4 points. Looks like you got the right idea. Pop, pop, pop. Is this thing loading? I'll take that as a yes. Wow, some of you are really good at missing those bubbles. Great job, everyone. Now head on over to my pal Squidward at the basketball toss. See you later.
Welcome to the basketball toss. Shoot hoops for fun and prizes. Whatever. They got the pass.
one will ring. Oh, hey, whose side are you on anyway? Well, not again.
What's wrong, SpongeBob?
I can't believe the buttons.
I know. All this food is making me so hungry.
That gives me an idea for a new game. Follow me. All right, Patrick. A whole bunch of Krabby Patties coming right up. They're ready. They're ready. Now presenting in the center ring. It's time to feed Patrick. More Patricks over here. He's still hungry.
What do you boys think you're doing? All those Krabby Patties are costing me money!
Oh, it's better than that, Krabs. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula. You'll never catch me, Copper!
Baby, come on!
Take out the lab. Hurry.
Try it.
Minutes later.
Well done, everyone! You stimulated and saved me restaurant! Now let's see how you do with carnival games! Oh, not too shabby.
I've seen better.
Now to celebrate, why not head over to the Krusty Krab and buy some delicious Krabby Patties?
Mr. Krabs, we can't make any more Krabby Patties. We used all the ingredients for these games.
SpongeBob! Get back here, you two!
Welcome back. Next Star Station.
Okay, money.